Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a shared central model and enabling work sharing now. Save the central file to a reliable shared location so links resolve. Once the central exists, create your local copy immediately and open only the local file. Make sure to assign project standards and user roles up front because early discipline prevents conflicts later. Also, confirm your network or cloud path is stable and that users know the central file naming convention before they sync. Now keep the model healthy by working in focus sessions and syncing with central frequently. Do this every 30 to 60 minutes or after major changes. Use work sets to separate disciplines and relinquish elements you aren't actively editing, because this reduces conflicts and lock contention. Once done with a set of changes, add a clear comment to your sync so teammates know what you changed. Also, coordinate with linked models and update links on a predictable schedule to avoid stale geometry. Finish by cleaning the central. Run an audit, purge unused families, and save a delivery copy labeled with date and author. Then coordinate final linked models, resolve any remaining warnings, and export sheets in IFC or DWG as required. If a sync conflict or corruption appears, stop edits, notify the team, and restore from the last verified central or a good local copy. Make sure only the restore operator opens central until stability is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.